Hi, my name is Andrei Jikh. Hope you're doing well. Come for the finance and stay for the Dogecoin. And I think we are due for another Dogecoin Millionaire portfolio update. This is crazy. So just the other day, I was thinking about Dogecoin because it was going up in...
Bro, you left your mask at my house, so I just wanted to return that.
We have here with us the Dogecoin Millionaire, Pro the Doge, and I feel like I saw you like 5 days ago.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was like 4 or 5 days ago.
It was literally 4 or 5 days ago. When I saw you last in LA, you had about $1.2 million in your portfolio that you made in 69 days.
Yeah.
But now we gotta see it. We need an update.
I almost doubled my money.
$2,178,79,066.
Diamond hands, baby.
This fluctuates every second, thousands of dollars. I don't know how you don't have a heart attack at this point, but like, okay, so you didn't cash anything out, you didn't take anybody's advice, but how has your life changed, even though nothing's really financially changed?
This past week was insane. I was on TV, national television with CNBC talking about Doge.
Crazy.
New York Times hit me up. I did an entire interview with them. A documentary is being done about GameStop and Doge featuring me. They're gonna come to my house and follow me around and do a whole interview. It's been nuts, man.
And you're even getting recognized, you're telling me.
I got recognized 2 days ago at a Costco. I just went to get my celery. That's all I wanted.
Are you the Dogecoin Millionaire?
Can I get a picture? I was like, what?
Can I get my celery?
Yeah, that's all I wanted, bro.
Okay, but I think the craziest thing that changes about your life isn't the money, it's the people that you meet.
Okay.
So I gotta introduce you to some of my millionaire friends because that, I think, is the biggest perk of being a millionaire, is having other millionaire friends. So let's go see.
Let's do it.
All right, we are here. What's up? How you doing?
Welcome.
Hey, oh, we're already all recording, huh?
Graham, I'm a huge fan.
Nice to meet you.
Graham Stephan, right?
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, is this Jack?
That's Jack. Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, what's up?
Jack, you're
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up? That wasn't planned at all. All right, so how long have you been in LA?
a few months now, you know, I'm getting used to it.
I got $1,000 for you.
You just turned 18?
you know.
Great meeting you, man. This is cool. I saw
Pleasure.
both of your videos. So.
Yeah.
Pleasure.
I'm honored. I'm in the presence of greatness here.
You are.
I could tell. I could feel it.
Do you want to show them your portfolio right
Yeah,
now?
let me see
Oh,
it.
sure, yeah.
Let me give. This is my real reaction here.
This
Let's
is
see.
legit, yeah. These two have never met before.
No.
This is not set up.
Oh, come on! Holy! It's hard for me not to swear.
I know.
Jack, you ready?
Yeah.
This is if you work hard, you could do this one day.
Are you kidding me?
Look at that. Dude.
That's from a $188,000 investment.
Oh, man.
I'm speechless.
Pretty cool, right?
This man is a national treasure.
Look at that, yeah. Up $1.1 million in the last week.
What do you do? You are...
Sell.
What? Sell.
Here's the thing. To me, this is like, we're in Las Vegas. You went to a casino, and you put all your money on the roulette table, and you happen to win. That doesn't make it a good investment. That doesn't mean that like, wow, it worked. Let me keep doing it.
Okay.
You would consider this life-changing, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So why risk it? My thing, you've already won the game.
Okay.
You beat the game. There's very little difference in between, making $2.3 million and 2.7.
Okay.
$3 million. There's not really a big difference between that. You may as well cash out now. I would love to see you sell right now. Realize
just
those gains.
completely
pressure.
sell out right
Yes.
now. Just be like, screw it, and just swipe up and just
Oh, hold on.
sell out of
Defend your
everything.
position,
Yeah.
though. Why
Okay.
don't you want to sell it?
I'll give you a bottle of champagne right now, Vu. If you sell it, free, 2 bottles.
He'll let you
Okay,
jump in
so-
his pool.
Yeah.
Which is $300 to heat up.
This is true.
I will heat up my pool this weekend. Well, I'm not gonna be here if you sell right now.
Okay, so my argument here is that we're going to the moon, and it's gonna hit $1. Elon Musk is gonna be on Saturday Night Live this Saturday, and it's gonna shoot up, and then we're all winners.
But don't you think it's gonna dump?
If it dumps, it might dump by 10%.
10%?
You think 10%? So it's gonna it's gonna hit $1 and then dip to 90.
It'll hit $1 and dip to like 60, which is still higher.
My thing is, if he doesn't mention it, it's gonna drop way more than 10%.
But he's
because people's
mentioned
expectation.
Yeah.
You're
He's
so
gonna
sure?
mention
You think
it.
he's gonna?
He
What if he
tweeted the-
doesn't?
he
What if
tweeted the Doge
forgets?
father.
If he doesn't, that's it. Everyone, all the excitement's leading up. Jack says the same thing. Jack's like, it's gonna hit $1 and I'm like, everyone says that.
But you want to sell it?
Wait, you have Doge?
Yes. I turned it.
Did we just
Listen
become
to this.
best friends?
Look at Jack's return beats yours though.
Oh, snap.
$100 to 15,000. I'm looking at Jack being like, sell it. Sell.
Okay, so I want to hear Jack's argument.
I'm not selling.
I'm not selling. Did you guys see that meme of Leonardo DiCaprio, Wolf of Wall Street? I'm not selling.
Okay, so one of your biggest theories behind why you want to hodl your investment to the moon is because brand recognition, right? Like you think
Yeah.
that everybody knows what Dogecoin is now, right?
Yeah, it's a household name now.
See, I don't know if that's true. I feel like we should put that theory to the test and actually ask some real people what they think.
Okay. Have you guys heard of Dogecoin? No. Never heard of Dogecoin. Like not at all.
No, I haven't.
Cryptocurrency.
No.
Well, you should research it.
Oh no, I don't do any of that
good.
cryptocurrency stuff.
I don't know how crypto works, but like I hear people say it's bad, so I don't know.
We just asked the wrong people, man. Trust me, we have to ask.
College kids? YOLO investing is the wrong people?
They've got ramen noodles and a few bucks. I don't think they're trying to invest in
I don't know.
anything.
I feel like that's the target crowd. But okay, I did ask people on Instagram whether or not they thought it was going to $1 on Saturday.
Okay.
And we got over 10,000 votes, and we got 52% said yes,
Ooh.
and 48% said no.
To the moon, baby.
So half the people thought we're going to the moon, and some people said they didn't. So yeah,
This is the way.
that is the way.
You gotta hodl.
I think this is a big mistake.
Hold on. So,
This is the way.
hold on. So here's the thing. With crypto that you truly believe in, the goal is not to move your money to the dollar because you believe in it, right?
Facts.
So why are we talking about selling? You said you don't want to ever sell, right?
Facts. No, I do want to sell
Why?
when I hit 10 million.
But why?
But I want to sell 10%
The
to
point
live
is-
off
but
of
the
it
point
and keep
is-
the other 9 million in there because that's how much I believe in.
Yeah, but the point is to use it. That's the whole argument. You're
I'll
saying I
use-
want to use it.
Yeah, I'll use the 10%. I'll use $1 million to live
With Doge though, why do you want to convert it to the dollar?
so I can buy a house.
So what do you do with it? Like, what's the actual utility of this?
Well, you can buy things with Dogecoin. You can buy Mavericks gear. You can buy Houston Rockets gear.
Okay, so are there any actual stores in Vegas that accept Dogecoin?
Yes, actually, the Golden Knights have started selling merchandise with Doge.
Okay, I guarantee you we go there and it's not going to pan out.
It will. So I have a question. All right, so I want to buy this hat, but I only have Dogecoin. You guys take Dogecoin?
No.
You guys tweeted out Golden Knights now taking Dogecoin for payment for your stuff. Only on the website, not on the store. Okay. No, it's all good. I mean, we're still going to the moon, but I got you.
But imagine if the price drops 80%. You'll lose more money in that instance, and you'll still have to pay tax to get out of it. You could buy a house in Los Angeles cash tomorrow.
Where?
Tomorrow.
Compton?
Highland Park, you know? Just going east of
Don't
downtown.
go to LA, just move to Vegas,
Or move
please.
to Vegas.
I kind of do want to move to Vegas.
Move to Vegas.
It's really hot. It's so hot.
No, it's
Worth it. If he goes to
Jeez.
Vegas,
So-
do you think he'll still pay California taxes
Yeah.
to sell it? I imagine yes, right?
No. So I actually, not legal advice here,
Yeah.
but usually it's when you make an investment in California, if you immediately cash out, that's treated as California income.
Right.
So you have to wait a certain period of
6
time.
months and a day.
No. That's just to be a resident of somewhere else.
Okay.
But they want to prevent people from going to making investments like this,
And then
making a lot
leaving.
of money, and then spend 6 months somewhere else and cashing out and then not owing any state. Usually it's a few years to 10 years.
So either way, you're going to pay those
You're
high
gonna- yeah.
California. So you might as well pay the short-term capital gains, get your money.
Okay, on a 2.3, 40% of that.
Yes.
yeah.
I would pay that in a heartbeat.
Yeah,
you
me
got
too.
yes.
100%.
I don't even consider the tax. Because how would you feel if that were in a month from now worth 300 grand?
I mean,
how would you feel?
a few days ago, Andre told me to sell when it was at 1.2.
Yes.
Now we're at 2.
But
Yes, but that doesn't make it right.
Right.
Like that's like you playing blackjack. You winning a hand. We're like, all right, let's go. You're like, no, let me
then
do
put
it
it
again.
back in.
You put it back in. You win another hand. It doesn't mean that you keep playing the hand.
Okay.
I would sell in a heartbeat
So I want to test the theory that Pro the Doge is my lucky charm, so we're gonna go to the casino right now and play some slots.
Let's go.
Oh my God.
We already hit one.
Good
Let's
luck
go.
charm right here.
Let's go.
Bro, your turn.
Bro, I don't really gamble. It's risky.
But you have to live with the fact that if you sold now, this could very well be 4 million next week.
That's
could you
true.
live with that? I could. I would
can live
not
with
care.
that.
I could live with that.
Yeah, at this level, I wouldn't care. I would be more disappointed had you had a chance like this and you lose 90% of it, knowing what you could have today.
What would be the
Guaranteed.
first thing you bought if this was you?
A house, real estate.
Like if you had this,
I wouldn't be opposed to a house. Yeah,
Okay.
if you know that Los Angeles is a place you were gonna live for
that's
a
the
long
thing.
time,
I'm on the fence right now.
then don't buy anything. Just keep the money cash in a high interest savings account, figure out your next plan, pay a big tax bill, and figure out your next move. I
Okay.
wouldn't be opposed to buying a house with that. And I think especially for something like this, even if you paid for a house cash, you've locked yourself in for the rest of your
Bro,
life.
okay, here's the thing.
The rest of your life.
You could
man.
go to Vegas, buy yourself a nice $400,000 house. After you sell everything, invest the rest, and still have enough passive income to sustain your whole lifestyle forever.
Yeah.
Without a job.
Okay. Not financial advice though.
No.
Yeah. What is that after tax? 1.4?
That's what I was thinking.
1.5.
Probably one and a
Yeah,
half,
so you could buy $500,000 house and have $1 million in an index fund, pulling $30,000 a year for the rest of your life. Just if you sold right now.
What do you guys think?
Comment down below and smash the like button.
I'm getting the hang of this.
Here's the thing too. There's nothing preventing you from cashing out, locking it in, and then if something happens to Dogecoin in the future and you see a good entry point, investing your money. We're in such a high right now. I've never seen an investment like this rise so high without eventually coming down at some point. Even with Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin had a great run up. In the long term, it's proven to be pretty
Yeah.
good. But to go from 20 down to 3,500, that's a big dip. What my concern is this, is that everyone is hyped over Saturday Night Live. Everyone thinks the same thing.
This is
It's gonna
true.
hit $1, I'm gonna sell it, Saturday Night Live, this is gonna change everything. But what happens after that? There's no catalyst after that right now that people are gonna look forward to. And if he
That's
does
true.
not mention it,
That's true.
everyone's gonna be like, I'm gonna get out now. There's not, what else is
Yeah.
there? I better lock in.
When Doge hits $1, not if, I'm at 4 million.
But that's still not a huge difference.
But the difference in lifestyle is not gonna be that big between 1.5 and 2.
yeah, you might be able to buy an $800,000 house instead of 400 or 500, which
It's
is
like-
not a huge difference in Vegas.
You're risking the big pot of gold. Like you got a pot of gold. You're risking all of it to get a little bit more.
Does
The
it-
difference in lifestyle is not going to be tremendous. It's not like you're going to be, an extra 500 grand. It's going to be like, wow, that changed my life. From going from 1.5 to 2, I'll tell you, lifestyle-wise, there's no difference.
What car do you have?
Well, well, the one I drive day to day, that's the Tesla Model 3.
I'm just saying, I would like one of those too.
A Tesla Model 3? Then buy a Tesla Model 3 cash. Seriously.
could, yeah.
Seriously, I would say, if that gets you to sell, indulge yourself. Buy yourself a Tesla Model 3, you deserve it.
So what's the verdict here? Are you gonna sell? Are you gonna keep it? Or are you gonna sleep on
I
it?
kind of want to wait to see what the comments say.
No.
You're trusting people who listen. If you're gonna listen to anybody, trust people who have that type of money. You're asking
Flex.
people. You're asking people who are probably. I don't want to say anything negative about our subscribers, but you're asking people who don't have. Probably 99% don't have $2.3 million.
No, I honestly think most people will agree with us. Most people will say,
I
yes, you
would.
should absolutely sell.
Right? I think so,
Most
too.
comments will agree with us, yeah.
But you shouldn't dictate.
But don't outsource that.
Yeah. You shouldn't
Facts.
ask other people that.
Facts.
Just for context, while we've been talking here, this has gone up like 20 grand.
Wait, what was the peak of that?
The peak of this
2.7, right?
was 2.7 million.
Wow, 2.7. So technically, you lost like
$2.7
$500,000 in the last few hours. But
I would sell no later than Friday, no later than tomorrow. Like right before SNL. I think that's when it's gonna hit the peak.
But even
that's when
then,
I would sell.
I wouldn't. Why wait?
Dude, the tension's gonna be
No,
so
if-
pent up. People are gonna be like, oh, he's gonna mention it. That's when you sell. You don't wait.
But my fear is this: is that if he's playing it risky now, he's going to continue playing it risky.
This
If he
is-
doesn't make a move now, he's not going.
This is
to.
the thing. Like, what I want to know is, in this scenario when it comes to crypto, does the phrase "buy the rumor, sell the news" still work?
You got to sell before the news. I think by the time the news comes out, it's already too late.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lock it in, man. That's what I would do. And if you lock it in, I'll heat the pool this weekend, and I'll give you 2 bottles of champagne.
Unfortunately, that is all the time we have with Graham Stephan, so I will leave a link to his channel in the description below the video. I will also leave a link to the Dogecoin Millionaire, Pro the Doge. Thank you so much for coming by, and don't forget to grab up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin using BlockFi right here, and free stonks with Webull.
I have a question.
What's up?
If Doge dips, I was just thinking about this. If Doge dips down a little bit and like I'm not a millionaire anymore, like can I still be in the millionaire club with you guys?
Yo, you're out of the club. It dipped below $1 million. I'm so sorry. Whoa. No, wait. You're back in. Never mind, you're out. Sorry.
Man, you know what? Just smash the like button. I'll be happy with that. You know what Dogecoin is? Is that a yes? Do you have some?
Bro, don't bring that up, man. I'm already feeling the pain.
It'll go back up, man. You're good.
No, man, I heard they're gonna start dumping it on Saturday.
They're not. It's gonna keep going up.